Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with an illuminated star in the grille. Also comes with the chrome package, which is going to give you chrome door handle inserts, 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. We've got brushed aluminum running boards, a black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, coming around back we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, a brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera, front and rear sensors, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 350 has 35,991 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.